What it do? It's your boy T.
And it's your girl Misha.
And we back at it again with another video. We didn't post it on here because we was just starting, but this is basically round 2 of the boil. But basically we got 3 pounds of crab legs, we got a couple pounds of shrimp, we got some potatoes, corn, onion, we got the garlic over there that way.
Lemon and
we got lemon.
All the seasonings.
And these are the seasons we will be using.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna show y'all once we get to the process. Alright, so first we trying to make the sauce, and the kind of sauce we trying to make something kind of similar to Juicy Crab. So I don't really know exactly what they use, but I watched this one YouTube video and they was basically explaining how to do it. So I'm gonna just do it how they showed me how they did it. So we'll put a tablespoon of seasoning that we got, and I'm gonna show you each seasoning that I put in here. Alright, so first the Old Bay, the little Cajun seasoning, oregano,
and we're gonna do the Creole seasoning. Y'all need to get this. Y'all, my allergies are messing with me. My nose is just.
now the garlic powder. Y'all hurt my nose.
Now the lemon pepper.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Cayenne pepper.
Next is paprika, but it's chili powder, onion powder. Mix that seasoning up, okay? Okay, that's gonna be all up in there. I mean, like all up in there. It's gonna be good. Yummy. Okay. Put this
The
over
next
here.
step, we're gonna be back. Alright, I'm about to start chopping up my onion now. I'm about to go peel this guy.
Onion.
Alright, y'all, I'm not no expert. I just am doing what I can do, so don't judge me. Alright, now I got it chopped up. I'm gonna just try to dice it up now. Now I got some garlic. If y'all don't know, if y'all ever trying to like open a clove of, or whatever you consider this, but a clove of garlic, what you do is you basically, like you see right here, you put the knife on it like that, and you just, I'm just gonna repeat that process. All right, now I got the onion chopped up and the garlic chopped up. We're gonna move on from here. As y'all see, the butter is starting to melt. We're going to get ready to put the sauce in there. Turn it down a little bit. The butter is melted, the seasoning is all mixed in.
It smells good though.
Yep. So follow me right here. Hands are washed, of course. You put the onion in there. Now you can put the garlic up in there. So now I got chicken broth. Pour about. I poured about a half cup in there. I'm gonna mix it up. You can kind of see in there a little bit while I mix it up. Cup and a half. Alright, now we got our sauce made. This is really for the end. Now we're gonna start cooking our shrimp, our potato, our corn, and also the crab legs.
Just kidding. But yeah, potatoes.
I'm gonna cut the potatoes one time down the middle. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking our sausage up in there. Next, we're gonna add our shrimp. Alright, now we're just gonna cover it up and let it do its thing. After that, we're gonna go ahead and start cooking the crab leg up in there. Okay, I just unboxed all the crab legs. I'm gonna let them sit out, thaw out for a minute, and then I'm about to season them, put the butter, just put all the seasoning. When you season these things, you put all the seasoning right in here, and you put butter on it. And it kind of like traps it in there, and then it gets all the way up there. But today, I'm going to be steaming them after I cook all this, of course. Alright, so the timer just went off. It was about 15 minutes. I let the potatoes and the corn cook. Now it's about time to get ready to start seasoning these. And then when the butter gets here, we'll put the butter on there and then we'll start cooking them. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. How you feeling? Alright, so now I'm about to season the crab legs. Let me get into it. I'm about to put a little bit of everything basically, or whatever I feel like would be good on it. Just a little bit on the cluster.
With the onion powder?
And then you finish it off with
Yes
the
or no?
butter. Alright, so it's seasoned. Now we're just gonna wait for the butter. Alright, now I got the butter, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the butter on the end of the clusters so that I can trap the seasoning in there. Alright, we just got done steaming them. We got it laid out. You steam them for about 10 minutes and then they'll be ready. Put them on the plats. Alright, y'all, like, comment, subscribe. We'll be back with another video.